The goal of AI agent like Proxy is to be able to do something on your behalf, and one of them is controlling your online account. Like it could be your Facebook, Instagram, or maybe your own website. In this case, I was able to make Proxy log into my website using the credentials that I provided. So it is possible to use Proxy to control online accounts, not just social media, but it is theoretically possible to use Proxy to control another AI like ChatGPT or Perplexity, which is actually something that I have been experimenting about in the last few days or so. So it's quite interesting. But the question is, how do you actually log in to your online account in Proxy while at the same time Proxy actually giving you this notice at the homepage telling you to not provide any sensitive data to AI agent. You are not supposed to tell your health and then your race, ethnicity, political password, or access key. So basically, some sensitive information are not supposed to be sent through the prompt right here. Now, I have no idea why they are giving me this info, but I do think that they are actually telling you or giving you this warning because there is a possibility that the prompt that you write in Proxy will be used to train or improve their AI model. So it's probably a good idea to not tell anything about the password or any sensitive info. But then how do you actually log into your online account if you are not supposed to tell the username and the password? Well, fortunately, they have something called credentials, and I'm not talking about the saved credentials here because this is a feature, but this is specifically for pro subscribers. It is, it just allow you to save the info so the next time AI login, it will understand or it will have the database about the username and password that you have provided. I'm talking specifically about credentials where you can log in to your online account via proxy, and you don't have to be the pro subscribers. It is possible to just log into your online account by providing username or email and password safely. So let me show you how you can do it. Now, for this task, I'm going to ask this AI to log into my Netlify account. So I'm going to write the prompt. All right, so that's the prompt that I'm going to use. And I'm going to just send the message. And then later it will start the AI agent and it will visit Netlify. And when it is on the login page, it will stop, the AI agent will stop, and then it will ask you to provide the username and password in a safe manner. So basically you're not typing your username or password here. It is going to give you a nice user interface to do that. And I'm about to show you how it look like. All right, now it is on the Netlify website. I just need to wait until it is hitting the login page. And all right, so I forgot to tell that I need the AI agent to log in with email. So yeah, I hope it is clicking the email option. Oh, there you go. There is this nice info. It's offering multiple options. Now let's select the login method that you prefer. I'm gonna go with the email and just wait until AI is proceeding with the next step. All right, now I'm going to just prepare my username and password and just wait until it is asking me. Okay, there you go. Now, this is the user interface that you could use to provide your credentials safely. So it is not going to be provided, or sorry, you're not going to send your login info to AI. Instead, it will be processed safely by this protocol in proxy. At least it should be a lot safer than sending the password to AI prompt. Now I'm going to provide my email and also my password. And there you go. By the way, if you are a pro subscribers, you can enable this option, but if you're not, then you cannot use it. But it still allows you to just log into your account. Now let's click submit and wait until Proxy is processing the username and password that you have provided. By the way, I forgot to mention that if you are dealing with something called SSO or single login, I forgot the abbreviation, the extended version of this abbreviation, but basically it is a single login where you can just provide an email and then it will send you a message like a 6 digits code that you have to open your email, and then you have to provide the code to the website. That can work as well on Proxy, but you have to manually provide the code. You have to send the code via prompting. As far as I know, there is no user interface for that, but I think it's still a lot safer because it is a temporary login anyway. Okay, as you can see, it was able to log into my Netlify account using the login info that I have provided. And that's essentially how you can log in to your online account via Proxy. And again, you can select one among many options to log in. There could be login via Google, login via Apple, login via email, etc. And fortunately, Proxy understands that, and it allows you to choose any method that you prefer. But anyway, I think that's basically it. If you find this video to be useful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, because I'm planning to make more videos about Proxy Agent in the future. And I'll see you on my next video. Have a good day.